What's up guys, it's Serenityydoll and I'm back today with another video for you guys. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Today's video, which I'm just going to get into it really quick, it is going to be a unboxing. You guys know I suck with unboxing, so I kind of already opened it like usual. But it's going to be an unboxing of LUX's new collection, new like style, I guess you could say. Which I don't want to say it's like super new because it is still some of the similar styles, but it's also like different colors and different like other type of little designs on it. So I'm super excited because I love LUXville. If you don't know me or you haven't seen my video, like I love LUXville. I have thousands of LUXvilles. I probably have 50 plus of LUXville purses. They're bomb, okay? I have my hair up because I burned my ear. You can see. I burned the hell out of my ear with the straightener and it's really ugly. It looks like a zombie bit me and just like I'm infected and, you know, quarantine my ass, but whatever. Let's just get into this LUXville unboxing edition, new collection. Yeah. It's gonna come in this box. This is what came in. I'm not gonna show it the other way because it has my address on there, but it's just a brown box, right? And this one that I got, it is a coffin purse. Remember how I got the coffin backpack? So they have mini coffin little purses, like side purse, kind of like a side little crossbody purse. And she finally came out with black, which is a matte black coffin tote. And this is how it is wrapped in. It comes with a little duster bag right here. I'm just gonna like, where do I open this from? Oh my god, Gina. All right, so there's a duster bag. And then just like the paper on it. They wrapped it really good, so you know. Look at how cute. So this is what it looks like. This is the mini coffin tote. Yeah, mini coffin tote, or like little like side crossbody purse. Super cute. This was pre-ordered. I forgot. I don't know how much I spent on this. Hold that thought. Let me check. Okay, so the mini coffin tote purse, they are $68. This was pre-ordered. They are currently now available, so you guys can get them shipped quickly, but I always like to pre-order just in case they get sold out because these do go like hotcakes. Super cute. So this is what it looks like. It's all matte flat black. It's pretty small. I think it's a decent size of a like crossbody bag or just like a little like handbag. It has a skull right here in the middle, which I have it covered. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to scratch it yet, but and on the back is the Elvira, because it is the Elvira collection. It has it right there. But I also have that plastic thing on it because I don't want to take it out yet. Take it out when I'm going to wear it, but we're just going to savor it before it gets scratched up or rubbed against something. So it has a zipper right here in the middle, okay? And then it comes with the crossbody strap shoulder thing. And then inside it just has like all this stuffing, but I'm going to take it out so you guys can see exactly what's in the inside. So it looks like this inside. It has a pretty decent size of room in it. I think it's pretty good. You can put your wallet in here, probably a pair of sunglasses, pepper spray, lipstick, compact mirror. You know, I mean, you can put like hairspray and stuff in here, but I feel like it's a decent size if you don't want. If you're the type of girls that don't carry too much, it's perfect for you. If you're the type of girl that carries a lot but like to carry some things less on certain days with certain outfits, this is perfect for you as well. Me, you know, I just work with what I got, so I don't even care. But yeah, so that's, it looks like this on the inside. The only thing that I kind of would say is like somewhat of like is that it doesn't have pockets inside, which kind of like, not oh my god, but I love pockets inside. At least one pocket for like your phone or like a little zipper. This doesn't have any pockets inside of it, but I don't know if it's because it was too small to put pockets in, but I was kind of disappointed it didn't have pockets in it, but it's cool. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna take out this strap so you guys can see how it looks with the crossbody type look. I really wanted to put it like on my side shoulder for like a cute look, you know what I mean? Like, it could be like a day or night look. Like, I just think this purse is so cute. And some people are gonna be like, oh my god, it's a coffin. Like, why would you not want a coffin on your shoulder? Like, why not? It's a look. So you guys can like see that. So you can also make it longer, but this is just like the regular normal like way it came. Super cute, super adorable. If you want to like crossbody it, it'll obviously have to be a little longer. Hold on. Let me make this a little longer so you guys can see. So if you want to crossbody it, it looks like that. You can make it a little longer if you want, but I thought that was cute. Me personally, I think I would just kind of wear it like that. I don't know. I just think that looks cuter, you know? But it honestly is all in your preference, and it's however you want. It's however you want it to come out or look like. So this is how the first one looked. I really liked the black one. Came out perfect, super cute, perfect size. I love this stuff in general, so it's a perfect purse. Definitely recommend you guys to get it. I love LUX de VILLE. They're like my favorite purse brand. I like heavy like F with their purses because they're just amazing. Oh, also for the pre-orders, it did come with a free little gift. Because if you pre-ordered, they said that you would get like a gift with it. So the gift is this cute little black coin purse that will go perfect with my matte black tote, coffin tote, and it has a little skull in the middle, and it's like super black and cute. And I'm not, if you hear any noise in the background, that is my boyfriend. He is just, you know, messing up my video, but it's cool. I usually don't put change in like coin purses, but this for sure I'm going to have to. Plus it doesn't have pockets in there, so I'm gonna really have to use this one. But this is like perfect. And I think it's also perfect to put like, you know, a little bit of money, your card in here. It's a perfect size. So thanks LUX de VILLE for putting this little bonus in there. I'm super excited and happy. It's really adorable, guys. This, I really don't know how much this retails for by itself, but this was like super cute for a little bonus gift. Like this is totally adorable, so yeah. So I'm going with that. I only got 2 purses, and they are technically the same style, but they are different colors. So again, I got the coffin mini tote, but instead of it being black, which it comes in the same way, by the way, like it comes in like a box and everything, and it also comes with a little duster. But instead of it being black, I got red leopard. And this one, like, oh my god, you guys. When I saw that they were making it in red leopard, it had my name all over it. I was like, I'm gonna get it that color. I'm getting the red leopard. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm gonna wear it even if I don't match, because I really like this one. I love red leopard. As you guys know, I love red and black. Red is my favorite color, and I died when I saw this. And two, like, it's kind of fuzzy. Like, it has like, it's really good like texture too. Like, it's not like that puffy fuzzy. It's like a really good quality, and it just like, it's just so pretty. Like, it's so nice. And it comes the same way. It has a little skull, and it also has a little albino in the back, and it's just so cute. Like, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna hook this up for you guys as well. This was also $68 pre-order, and yeah. Oh, they're different textures, really quick, which I don't think it's like a big deal, but I just wanted to point this out to you guys. So on this strap, this one is just like a solid flat black. It has like no texture on it. It's just like a straight solid flat black. And then this one, how the purse is kind of like textured. I don't know if you guys can see that. How it's like textured. The strap is also textured like that. So, oh my god, I hope it's not focusing. Hopefully you guys can see that, but it has like a little like texture, like kind of like snake type of print skin. I don't know if that makes sense. It's not snake skin, but it has like that little texture feel to it. So I like that the fact they actually like coordinate the pattern to match it, and then this is just like solid black with it. I think it was really cool. I just noticed that right now. I was like, why does this strap feel different than this one? But that makes so much sense. So that's how it looks on the side. Dude, how cute is this? Like, is this not cute, you guys? This is so cute. I love it. In style. And it goes cute with my outfit right now and everything. Like, if I just wanted to be like a spooky gal, you know? I love it. This is so cute. And so let me try to like put it crossbody so you guys can see. Obviously if you want it longer, but you know. It's just really adorbs. And if you don't want to put it on a crossbody, you just want to have it on the handle, it's even cuter on the handle. Like, I just love it. Like, I'm so excited that they made it. They made the mini coffin into other colors and other styles, because I honestly think it looks better and cuter. like it couldn't get any better before, but now it's like extra cute. So I basically just got those 2 purses. I really like it. It's the same thing inside as, I don't know if I said this, it's the same thing as in the other one. This one has no pockets either, and it's just like the same exact inside. Super cute, super adorable. You guys should definitely go on their website and check it out. I think that their prices are pretty good, pretty affordable, really good quality purses for what they give you. I think it's amazing, and I'm just a hardcore LUX VILLE fan, so yeah. But that's all for today's video. I just wanted to unbox these and show you guys because I was really excited to purchase them and get them and just like show you what it was. I feel like any type of new purses they have and that I'm interested in, I will definitely be like reviewing them and showing you guys if they're worth it or not. But yeah, so thanks so much for tuning into this video. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching me, and if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe so we can be a family, because yeah. And yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also click that notification bell to keep up to date with me so you guys can be notified when I upload new videos and anything like that. Thank you guys for sticking around so much. I love you, love you, love you. Besos. Mwah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This gives me like Britney Spears vibes. Like Britney Spears, Powerpuff Girls, like Spice Girls, you know? Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart and I lost in the game. Oh, babe. Watch me fuck that up, but yeah. Did I do a good job?
Yes.